In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop down on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'd like you to do is log on to your Squarespace account. And once you're logged in, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side of your menu, and right where you see the home link, you're going to click on website. Now right on the website, you're going to see pages, and we're going to click on pages. Now to add a drop down menu in Squarespace, you must use the built-in drop down feature, which was previously called a folder. Now this acts as a container for the pages you want to nest under a single menu item in navigation. So what you do is you click on this plus sign here, and all the way down you see drop down. You're going to click on drop down. Now we're going to name our drop down. And in order to add a page to this drop down, we're either going to click on this sign here that says add page, and we're going to add a page according to our preference. Or if you'd like to add an existing page to this drop down, all you do is you drag the page and you release it. Automatically it's going to go there. Now it's right under the home page drop down. Now that's how you add a drop down menu on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.